Hi vlog. Today is, what's today? September 27th, 2025. And today we're at the beach. Say hi. Baby. Baby. Don't worry, he's there. And, yeah, we're just at the beach. Almost died a few times, and we got some shells. Hold on. Those are our shells that we got. So cute. And yeah. Do you have anything to say, my love? No, he doesn't. We're at Pensacola Beach in Florida, which is where I go to school. But you know that. Yeah. I love him. Anyways, I'll continue vlogging throughout the rest of my day. Today we're at the beach, and then later we're going to Julia's game and picking Julia up from work. I went to a yard sale today. I bought 2 shirts, which I probably won't have in like 20 years from now, but that's okay. Anyways, okay, talk to you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're eating Chick-fil-A. So, I think 20 years from now they'll still have a Chick-fil-A.
Bro, that thing is strong. When I put it on my phone, it was not strong.
So, here we have, what is this, chicken tender?
I was gonna bring some, I forgot I had them.
With ranch. And then we have French fries. We've got a Biggie. We've got a Dr. Pepper. And we got chicken nuggets, which he ate them all because he's a Biggie. I love him. I'm so happy he's here. Oh, and he ate it with Chick-fil-A sauce. And we're waiting for Maddie to come. So she can say hi to him. And then we're going to Julia's game, which started already, so we need to hurry. He just got a refill. He also had... Say something.
Okay, go ahead. You go check on it.
I'll be back, but I need a burp. It's been recording this whole time. This is gonna be my longest YouTube video ever. Okay, so I got more ranch because I was too scared to just ask for mac and cheese.
I didn't even see it. At least it didn't fall in.
She said about 7 more minutes. But we're gonna go to Julia's game, so we need to hurry. And we need to go. And we need to go get
Gotta wait for Maddie.
my bag. We can go to the info desk after. Because I left it yesterday. The game. Anyways.
Hopefully nobody stole it.
Okay. Bye, guys. Talk to you soon. Oh. Also, I got this new shirt today. What if that got in my eye? No, French fries and I. Would you still love me? Yes or no?
Huh?
Would you still love me? If I had a French fries and I.
Kind of hard to tell.
Deal breaker?